Oh, wow. Howdy, guys. Let's move that there. How are we doing today, guys? Oh, wow. And then come to here, videos, at bullet. Flexion, when suddenly it changes. Hello, my friend, Ms. Love. How we doing, my friend? I'm back now. You've woken up the So I figured out what the black bars you were seeing there, Ms. Love. It's called OBS says fuck you. It's literally just this OBS, and I don't know why. So, hi Ben, how are you doing, my friend? Down with sickness, give it to me. Yeah, so it's OBS being done for the black bars because it's doing it now, and I don't know why, but it's not happening here. It's just happening inside OBS. So I'm stuck using the CPU as the encoder. Yeah, I'm stuck using the CPU as encoder, which again is not that bad considering, you know, 32 cores of gloriousness. There we go. Right. Okay. Let's get this started, shall we? Well, not started, but continued, shall we? I want to grab this pop-out chat, move that to there. Hello, Pancake Sparkle. How you doing, my friend? Right, start the virtual machine. You get to see as it hits the fan. Hopefully it doesn't hit the fan. And it already looks like it's hitting the fan. Okay, good. Right. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Okay. We need to... That's off by a while. Ooh, nice. Right, okay, let's get date and time fixed. Okay, it's 21:03, so I need to do that, and then do that, and it should be running fine. Ah, yes, all we need is Von Garden and Mr. Angry Dutchman. Hang on, let me go shout at the Angry Dutchman. Go. Off is empty. Right, so we only just started GNU Database Manager, so let's get into getting it sorted, shall we? Hopefully, nothing goes wrong, because this is... We're further than we are last time round. Well, no, we're not further than we are last time when it died. However, Dutch Machine hasn't died, which is very much spectacular. Very happy with. More time at -30. That's fast. We're not doing the tests. You dare summon me from my cave, how dare you? How dare you summon me, mere mortal? Also, my meds. Why did I put them on the bed? Oh, I know why I put them on the beds, because I threw them in that general direction after I took them last. Right. We'll have them with my Dr. Pepper. I will say, Ms. Love, I do miss one of the things I miss about Croatia is Big Five. I do miss Big Five. I also miss the trams. I do miss Big Five. We've installed, so we want to... Here we go again. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Here we go again. Leave the directory, remove the directory, the next directory, enter the next directory. Oh god, it starts again. Violent society. Do you mind? Oh, come on. Oh god. Okay, yeah, it is just time synchronization. For fuck's sake. Right. I want to synchronize the bloody thing. Sudo time date CTL set NTP true. Hang on. That's the server below mine. That is, my server is one generation older. Mine's the DL360G8. I knew I recognised that. Come on. It's almost as if I said that already. It's almost as if I said that in my videos because the DL doesn't work. Why won't... Oh my god. Ah, yes. Time in the future. It's not in the future. Yeah, it's because I did a dumb on the last stream and did it. I was launching as an LFS stream and not Factorio stream because I got the dates wrong. Because I'm a dumb. Also because OBS. What do you mean the stream's audio current bitrate? Audio bitrate is 0. Why? Why me? Oh my god. Yeah, it is. We are... Oh, that's why, because I'm dumb. I didn't change the date. But I've told... It was set to automatically request internet. You know, I told it to automatically request the time and date, so it didn't. So I don't fucking know why. And that's annoying. Yeah, I wouldn't trust that server now. Yeah. Thank you, Pancake Sparkle. I was being dumb and didn't notice the incredibly obvious mistake because I'm dumb. It's literally one version below mine. No, you are not giving sound. I turned that off last time. Why did you not remember that anyway? I mean, it's quite literally set to automatically. It was set to automatically request date and time, and it still wasn't doing it. And I've turned it back on, and it keeps turning itself off. Why do you keep turning itself off? YouTube, it is getting sound. Do you want to know how I know? Because the people can hear me. I love it. God damn it. Oh, God. Right, anyway. Leave the directory, remove the directory. Yeah, I know, because you can hear me. That's how I knew you... Why? That would be funny. Right, anyway. Leave the directory, remove the directory, tile the next directory, enter the next directory. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to be upgrading to Debian 12. Because... Or downgrading the version of OBS because I'm getting weird errors. The black bars appearing at the top of your screen has got nothing to do with me. It's all OBS. And I don't know why it's doing it. I don't know why it's going. I don't know why it's doing it. I really don't. Time, make install. Install the extra documentation. Leave the directory. Remove the directory. Tile the next one. Enter the next one. So this is the internationalization utilities because it's inet utils. Oh look, Nikon! It's how you make software that actually works. Refreshes it. I've just realised I've whacked the whacked the focus out. Nikon cannot write software that refreshes the camera every time does that. Wait. Why does Google accept a wrong time? Why does Google accept a wrong time? I think that's more concerning. Anyway, I'll make Monastery 30. Atomic install. Yeah, I think that's more concerning about the fact than I mean, it's true, but still, why was it accepting it though? I think that's the more concerning part. Anyway, leave the directory, remove the directory, file the next directory, enter the next directory. -J30, can't type today apparently. Leave our... I didn't even know that was a directory I could go to. I didn't even know that was a directory I could go to. Apparently, it is a directory I can go to. Alright, I guess I did install. Leave the directory. Remove the directory. The next directory. Enter the next directory. I didn't even know / was a directory I could go to. Oh, Mislav, you know how you asked me to make that video on Rhino package? Oh yeah, that's right, because I shared it with you. Yeah, they asked me to do a video on their entire operating system. But I'm not sure they watched the video and heard my perfectly valid criticisms. So I don't. Yeah, I don't. Did they watch the video? Did they see my criticisms? Were they paying attention to my criticisms? Like, what? Like, am I just imagining the fact that they said, hey, look, it's good? And that they just ignored my criticisms of their software and their absolute lack of documentation? Because I feel like that's what happened. I feel like they just ignored everything that I said. And just said, oh, look, person, make video about software. Very nice. Literally my most popular video has comments on it from the creator of the software, who's literally sat and watched the video and went, it's a good tutorial. Very nice. I also don't know how that's my most popular video. I'm not going to question it. Definitely not going to question it. I mean, how the bloody hell does that have 21,000 views? I have 4 videos above 10,000 views. What? Holy shnikes. How? Why? This makes no sense. Anyway, back to this. Right. Leave the directory, remove the directory, the next directory, enter the next directory. Make PL, time make -J30. Considering it's basically Ubuntu flavored AUR, take it with a pinch of salt because, again, it's Ubuntu flavored AUR, meaning there's no actual security behind it, just a hope and pray. So time make install. Leave the directory, remove the directory. The next one. This is the internationalization tool, even. Enter the next cd int tool. Yeah, considering it's just Ubuntu flavored AUR, give it extreme caution. Oh no, don't worry about it. We all make spelling mistakes, and English is a fucking hard language. And anyway, I read it with an S to begin with, so it's fine. What are you buzzing at? Oh yeah, you're telling me I need to charge you. We've done the make, so it's now just install with the documentation. No, there was a LFS series where my original G502 hero was dying so hard that I couldn't even copy anything. And you could just see me fighting with the mouse. Anyway, leave the directory, remove the directory, tar the next directory, enter the next directory. Yeah, my original G502 hero was a very swift, very quick and swift death. It just gone. Didn't click, didn't do anything, just stopped functioning. It was like every 10 clicks I made, maybe one may have gone through. Time, like, should I say? Install, leave the directory, remove the directory. The next one. That's the next one. Yeah, look, it annoys me because that G502 hero survived in like many, many years and so much abuse. And I'm sad I lost it, I'll be perfectly honest. I make -30. And now may leave the directory, remove the directory, tar the next one. Open SSL. Gotta enjoy that one. CD open SSL. So how far are we down the list? Okay, so we are in the final half now, which is good. So we need to decide what other software we're going to install before we actually compile the kernel. So we need to do wget at the very least, and everything that goes with wget. So make CA. We need to get wget installed at the very least. That's gonna be fun. Time make -330. Oh no, for wget. No, because it's make CA. If I remember correctly, it is make CA I need for wget. No, I don't want development. I want BLFS. And then it's wget. So for wget, it is... I need make CA as recommended for wget. So I was just trying to remember that's suddenly a hell of a lot more packages for optional. So there's make CA. And for make CA, I'm going to need P11, and then built after that is built after lib that. I remember the hell. Lord. Right, so we've made install the package. Did I? This is OpenSSL. We'll find out in a second. We'll find out once I've installed it. I hope I haven't done the wrong one. Oh, this could be bad. I mean, Automake was the last directory I just did as well, so I hope I haven't bothered it up or buggered it up. I will start crying because this is what my 5th attempt at doing this. I've been doing this for literally 2-3 months now. How long have I been doing these LFS streams now? That is a good question. Come on. Since July. Holy hell. God damn. Bloody hell. I've been doing these LFS streams since July. It's now mid-September. Thank you, Pancake Sparkle. I will go back and do the do. You've been subscribed for longer than that. Why is there so much gunk on the bottom of my mouse? That explains why it's been feeling dodgy. That's better. Okay, so we've done fix SSL install. Add that. Extra documentation. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I see what you mean now. Leave the directory, remove the directory. CD into auto make. Make -30. Come on. Thank you, Pancake Sparkle. Leave the directory, remove the directory. We need to go forward. It is kmod. So tar-xvf kmod. Kmod. Right. I made -30. Oh, Mislav. Hang on. I need to show you something because the gauntlet is being laid down upon you by a man from Texas. Devil went down to Georgia. He was looking for a solder steel. Let it all out. I'm about to make LTD. You've got me lost. Got me lost, Peter. That's done. So, we want to leave the directory, remove the directory, the next directory, elfutils, cd. Oh, low density structures. I was about to say, I don't know anything called that. In Factorio? What? Hasn't there been a new material added in, considering that they're not going to do that? I was like, what the hell is LTD? Are you doing something modded? No. We both lost our minds there for a second. It's fine. It is fine. It is the fine. No worry. Oh yes, that one. Oh, come on, really? You really being that pain in the ass? That. There we go. There we go, sorry. Right. So we want to leave the directory, remove the directory. The next directory. Into the next directory. Right, so when it comes time, we are actually going to install a desktop environment on this operating system. And it's not going to be GNOME, because fuck GNOME. I say that from deep within my very cold, dead ginger heart. Fuck GNOME. Okay, -30. We can install. Leave the directory. I am more of a cinnamon kind of guy, mainly because I can make it look like Windows XP. That's why I'm a cinnamon guy. Yeah, I'm very much a cinnamon kind of guy. Like, I'll do Xface. And Xface was my initial. Xface was my initial desktop environment. Did I install? I did. Okay, good. -xvf Python 3 cd Python 3. You and Ray from Katy, Texas keep bouncing off each other, and you keep fighting each other. And he finds it funny, as well as you do. Yeah, I can understand that one. It's just, eh. Whilst we're talking about it, maybe consider supporting me and buymeacoffee.com, where you can help grow the channel and help support. That was a bad attempt at a message from our sponsor. God damn it. I was watching LTT before I started. I was watching his video on foldable phones. I configure, time, make, -30. Yeah, he's fighting you. 129.04. Jesus Christ, that's going back some. God damn. No, I had to make some changes to some of my repositories because YNHQ is now pushing out the latest versions, even though you might be on an older version, older operating system. So what I've now got to do is figure out where I got my 11th follower on GitHub from. I'm popular, don't you know? I have 11 followers on GitHub. Oh Lord, I love that. Thanks, Python. Why are you doing the tests when I don't want to do the tests? That is a huge ass spider. Hang on. I've got to see if I can't show you guys. There's a spider up there. There's a spider there. I can't quite focus it. There we go. Say hello to the spider, everyone. Yeah, I can't get it. I can't zoom any closer in. Oh, hang on. Hang on, that's not the right lens. Where's my Nikon one? The Nikon lens upstairs. It is. Oh bother. I was gonna say, hang on. I'll just quickly whip on the other lens. Nikon lens is upstairs. Well, further upstairs than I am. Anyway. Spider is being spider. Spider is being good spider. Ooh. God, my neck. Right. So, time, make, install. In LFS and BLFS, we normally build and install Python modules using pip3. Please be sure to pip3 install commands in both books are run as root user unless it's PVE. Running pip3 installs non-root may seem to work well, cause install modules to be inaccessible by other users. Okay. Yes, I will take the extra documentation if you please. You know what? I like spiders. Spiders are nice. They look nice. Leave the directory, remove the directory, tar the next directory. Enter the next directory. I like spiders. They look nice. It's psycho. Leave the directory. Oh, that's right. You missed my dog. I was I had Pop It on me yesterday when I was streaming on Twitch, and she was just quite happily laying here and just wagging her tail, showing off to the camera, and she was giving me the puppy doggos. And she was getting all snarly yesterday because she was having her coat brushed. She always has in the 11 years, well, in the 12 years we've had her, and she's 12 years old. In the 12 years we've had her, she has never ever liked being brushed. She's just not a fan. And what she normally does is she'll try and bite the brush when my dad does it, because my dad normally does it because there's a thing between him and the dog. They'll fight each other over the comb and such, but she'll normally bite the comb or anything. But with me yesterday, she was quite happy and fine. And then instead of trying to bite the comb, she just snarled her teeth at me, just wrapped teeth around my finger, just gently chewing on my finger, whilst also licking my finger at the same time, as if to say, "Don't fucking do it again, but come here. I want you to do it again. Please continue brushing out my fur whilst I'm being a pain to you." Yeah, she was a happy doggy. Yes, she was just biting my finger whilst also licking at the same time, as if to say, "Fuck off, come here. Fuck off and get right here now. Thank you." She was being adorable. She doesn't like getting a coat brushed out. She decided yesterday that she wanted to fight and also accept at the same time. And normally she won't. Normally she'll get down when she's had enough. She didn't that time. Because she knows she won't win a fight with me. Anyway, leave the directory, remove the directory. The next one. Yeah, she knows she can't win a fight against me, so she'll just sit and put up with it. It was the first time yesterday where she decided she wanted to fight me as I was actively sorting out her coat. She's a good girl, really. Yeah, she's 12 years old and she's still as energetic as the day she was brought home. Was not found. Changes to SRC will not. Oh lord. Deprecated. Select for removal on Python. Pipes bootstrapping. Okay, so now I got to wait for this. Joy. Good. But she's always been a good girl. She's getting on in years, and she's a good little doggy. We're not testing the results. We're just going straight through and doing all this. Leave the directory. Remove the directory. The next one. Oh. I just heard a bedoing. I know what that sounds means. Now I know. What just happened? But no, Poppet's a good girl. She's a really good girl, and it's gonna be a sad day. Hang on. Thank you for the extra £10 towards the stream deck, Miss Love. I can't believe it. Ooh. Yeah, now I get the email. I heard it first, and then it came through. High noon, Texan. Oh, I love that. Hang on. Oh god. I've got to do that. Oh, hang on. There we go. Right. back to this. So, CD into Mason. Thank you, Miss Love. Right, so how far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25. We need a third for a Mexican standoff. It'd be funny if they were Mexican as well, because then it really would be a Mexican standoff. I mean, yes, it would be actually. Yeah. That would be funny. Right, leave the directory, remove the directory, the next directory, dot tar, because there's a patch file for that, cd core utils. Apply the patch. So what Ms. Lab was talking about is buymeacoffee.com, where you can assist with projects and also helping support grow my content in general. Such as that. Right. Oh god, my lungs. I can't wait to see the respiratory doctor again. Oh god, Ms. Lab, the video's already been uploaded. Oh, I can't thank you in this week's video, mate. The video's already been uploaded. Oh no. Right, there's core utils. Oh lord, and there's the headache. Time make minus 30. Oof, dizzy. Skip down to install package if we're not running. We are not running the tests. Miss me with that. Miss me with that. Right, leave the directory, remove the directory, the next directory, cd next directory. Get up, get up. Never, but I always do thank publicly, because it's a commitment I made. Is it not? You have never required a public thank you, but I always do it anyway, because I keep to my word. Right, leave the directory, remove the directory, tar the next directory, enter the next directory. I'm still going to do it. I'm still going to thank you publicly. Because you're a good lad. And it means a lot to me. It really does. Can't thank you enough, my guy. Thank you. Ooh, that's a good point. I'm going to send you a picture of Alex that I took earlier. Oh, sorry, a picture of me and Alex that I took earlier. That I think you will absolutely love. Because it's bloody adorable. Oh, I'm going to. But I'm still going to thank you anyway. So that's been configured, so I'm like minus 30. I try. I do try. Right, so leave the directory, remove the directory, the next one, leave the next one. Because my videos have been seen by another university. Another university. What directory was I just in? Diff utils, okay, good. Are you ready? Yes, there's been another university watching my videos again. I now have 2 universities watching my videos. I don't quite understand how or why. But yes. I'll tell you which university it is. ODU.edu, which is a university in America. University in the state of Virginia. It is Old Dominion University. So I now have the University of New South Wales in Australia, and also the Old Dominion University in Virginia. It's either North Virginia. It's Virginia. In the state of Virginia. I don't know. Don't know how or why, but I'm not going to complain. As long as they're finding good use out of it, then that's the main thing. And also, someone from Ubuntu is watching my videos again. And also someone from Nokia. And also Google Classroom. And also Microsoft again. I don't understand it. But I'm not going to question it. As long as my videos help someone, no matter how small it helps them, I'm always happy. I'm always happy for it. Do that, because we didn't run the tests. We're not running the tests. Do that one. They do, like, I kid you not, I have amassed like a few hundred views from Microsoft domains, which means people at Microsoft are watching the videos, or they're being passed to my videos from something that's been sent internally at Microsoft. Anyway, now that we've done this one, we need to leave the directory, remove the directory, the next directory, into the next directory. Oh no, these come from Microsoft domains. And I can confirm they are Microsoft domains because, like, I will just run them through Whois. But these are Microsoft domains. I'll run them through Whois, and it goes back to Microsoft headquarters. And yeah, I don't know why, but there's been Nokia as of recently. There is just Facebook. There is Microsoft Teams, com.microsoft.teams, which means somebody from inside the Microsoft Teams app has been watching it. Live.com is a Nokia domain. No, it's not. It is a Microsoft domain. Because if you do live.com, it takes you to Microsoft.com for the Outlook service. And then Office.net, which again is also another Microsoft service, but it doesn't actually have a landing page because it's not a publicly accessible one. Hang on. Not at Microsoft, well, either way. Well, stuff from Office.net is not accessible. If you were to go to Office.net, there's nothing there. There's like no landing page, no nothing, but it goes back as registered to Microsoft. SJ30. We do not want to test the results. Which proves it's definitely Microsoft, which I still can't get over. Leave the directory, remove the directory. The next one. Here's the next one. I'm still going to take pride in the fact that I've got traffic from Microsoft links. Paper size A4. I still can't quite understand it. I don't know, nor am I going to complain. Somebody at Microsoft has been watching the videos. And also people from Linus Tech Tips as well. I love it. Apparently I'm enough of a threat to Ubuntu for them to have watched 28% of a video. Yes. I'm not going to complain. Oh, I will. Trust me, Mislav, I won't forget you. Nor will I forget our friend Pancake Sparkle, because that's an awesome name. How can I forget such an awesome name like that? So we're doing make install, leave the directory, remove the directory, tar the next directory, dot tar.exe, which means there's a patch file. That isn't part of my normal. You do have a pretty awesome name. How could I ever forget that one? Oh, feel a sneeze coming on. Do that. Fix patch. We'll apply the patch. This one, I have to do not try tuning this package with custom compilation flags. So we are just going to compile with one core because it specifically says you may break stuff, and I don't want to break stuff. I make -J1. Right, whilst that runs, I do need to go around to the bathroom because I have inhaled a lot of liquid very quickly in the past hour. So hopefully this will still be running by the time I get back. If this breaks whilst I'm gone, I'm gonna cry. Watch it break whilst I'm gone. Right, there. I can't play any music because YouTube's gonna go, no, bad, and slap me down. And YouTube Studio, there is audio because people can hear me talking. Bear with me. Okay, I finished. Huzzah! Right. There we go, it worked. So I'm hoping this goes well. Because I need a good start to the weekend. You know. Right, sort the legs out. Oh, I need a good start to the weekend. No, I need a good start to the weekend, I really do. I leave the directory, remove the directory, the next directory, to the next directory. No, I need a good start to the weekend. Because it's Alex's birthday tomorrow. He turns 3. I can't believe that. He's been on this earth for nearly 3 years. Oh, I'm not going to be sleeping, Miss Love. I'm not going to be sleeping. I could sleep tomorrow night. Yeah. He is really nearly already 3. Okay, good. Yeah. We did the make. It's funny because I'm also 22. I just want to leave the directory, remove the directory. The next one. Yes. I'm older than the angry Dutchman. Compile. Install. Yes, I wish to install the extra documentation. You are but Schmolbean. Yes, YouTube. People can hear me. Shut up with the suggestion. The audio bitrate is more than 0. Please stop being the dumb. Thank. Right. Okay, so we compiled. Oh, god damn it. Compiled. Install. Leave the directory, remove the directory, tar the next directory. Dot tar.xz, which means there's a patch for KBD. Yep. Want to grab these, tuck them in, prepare for compilation. I'm make -J30. I'm make install. We are not running any of the tests on anything because we are risking it for a biscuit this time. Right, we want to leave the directory, remove the directory, tar the next directory, enter the next directory. How far away are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 away, okay. We're getting there. Configure. Yeah, I don't know why YouTube Studio thinks there's no audio bitrate when there is. No, I gotta be. I wouldn't be getting much sleep anyway. Bloody meds. Right. I make -30. I'd be getting no more than like 3 hours of sleep, so. Yeah, be fun. I make -J30. Time make install. Leave the directory. Remove the directory. Next directory. If we're talking small, then NeoFetch. Nice and small. Does a very good job. NeoFetch. Or UFW. CD make. Did I install the last one? Yeah, I did, okay. Good choice, good choice. Okay, I make install. Try that again. Make mine. Yeah, I can understand that. I just use whatever's already installed and quickest to type at the time. Yeah, whatever works for you, as long as it works for you. That's the main thing. Anyway, leave the directory, remove the directory, tar the next directory, enter the next directory. Whilst I'm thinking about it anyway. Yeah, well, VI, I've always had issues with VI. I've accidentally compiled that twice, haven't I? I've accidentally submitted the compilation instructions twice, haven't I? Yeah, I think I have. Hmm. Yep, I did. Someone's place, thank you. I did not know that. That's pretty cool. Bloody black. How do you know it's installed on BlackBerry OS 10 Pancake Sparkle? How do you know it's installed on that? Tell us this. Oh, okay. SSH. Yeah, why not? If it has an internet connect, if it has a way of connecting to a network, you can SSH into it. There's a way of getting into everything. So I'm in -30. Remove the directory. Remove the directory. Tar the tar directory. I must tar the tar directory using tar. I think it's funny. Honestly, being able to make aliases is so nice as well. What? See, I think it's funny that if I get a USB-C to Ethernet adapter, I can connect this directly to Ethernet. I can connect my phone directly in. It's now on the floor, directly into the internet. As if wireless wasn't good enough already, you just go, internet into the phone. And it'll actually accept it. Because the funny is this has a interface for Ethernet. Yes, I think I have NeoFetch installed on this as well. Why? Oh, Godspeed. Toward. Yeah, I couldn't do the camera without grep either. Do I still have Termux installed? No, I don't. Never mind. No, I used to have NeoFetch installed when I had Termux installed, but I uninstalled Termux on my phone. Okay, so we've compiled. We're not going to do the tests. We're just going to install it. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to do the camera on Linux without grep. Genuinely wouldn't be able to. Anyway, leave the directory, remove the directory, file next directory, enter the next directory. Sorry about that. I just needed to know my lungs are having a moment again. My lungs are having a moment again, and why is my compressor not working like it should be? Why is my compressor not working like it should be? There we go. I don't plan on dying. That's why my compressor wasn't working for. Okay, and that's fine now. Oh lord, right. That means I can now move this bit closer now because I fixed the compressor. No, my lungs are having a moment on me. I don't know why. Yes, YouTube, there is audio. Anyway, went into text info. I'm alive and breathing, just about. We'll go from there. This is why I really need to see the respiratory nurse again. I think, see, that it's... I should have the bit of paper here. It is on the 29th at 8:30 AM. So I need to go to the doctors for that. So time, make lunch 3:30. I have ls alias to EXO or EZ. What is that then? Make install. Optionally install the components belonging with. Yes, we'll do that. And bada bing. Bada boom. Leave the directory, move the directory. Ah, the next directory. You know what's funny? The wheel group is actually just a program, which I love. Do that. Configure Vim for compilation. Yeah, I just need to see respiratory nurse again. I'm due to see them. I'm due to see them on the 29th, which means I've got to stop taking my inhaler on the 26th. Well, on the 25th, because I'm not allowed to take my inhaler 3 days before I go see them. Because it's going to negatively impact the testing for my lungs. So yeah, my lungs are insanely inflamed. Time. Which is why I've been having so many problems breathing and episodes of just of that happening. It's not fun. Chuck that in. We're not going to launch the options, and what we're going to do is leave the directory, remove the directory. The next directory, markup safe. I don't know why that one is in capitalized. I don't know. Bada bing. Bada boom. Leave the directory, remove the directory. Remove the directory. Tile the next one. It is Ginger. Sorry, Ginger, because it has to be capitalized for some bloody reason. I don't know why. Do that. Do that. Leave the directory. Need to turn the fan back on. Leave the directory. Remove the directory. The next one. SystemD 254. CD SystemD 254. Remember, if you're not already subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. That way you can get notified whenever I make videos and go live. Like you do here. Yeah. Secure copy. I've never used secure copy, I'll be honest with you. Because I just use FileZilla for my network transfer stuff, because it works. So why do I need to use anything else? Anyway, Ninja. Because I gave it 30 calls earlier, so that's why it's absolutely flying through now. It's very nice. I mean, that works as well. But then again, when have I ever been known to do things easy, Peter? I mean, in theory, yes. Anyway, Ninja install. Man pages, yes, because we want the man pages. Do that. Basic target structure. Leave the directory. And again, remove the directory. And the next one, yeah, from dbus. dbus. Right. Compilation instructions time. Make one straight 30. How the hell has it really been an hour already? God dang. So time make install. Leave the directory, remove the directory. On the next one. PD man db. Three, and then an extra 3 more. Because I've got to do wget. 4, because I have to do wget, which requires make ca, p11 kit, and lib and libtazn. So 6. 6 more. It's configured, so time make command 30. Time make install. There's nothing else there, so I want to leave the directory, remove the directory. The next one, yeah, pro cps ng, cd pro cps ng. I'm getting there, I can't believe it. I'll try to stop dying, I promise. No guarantees though. Right, so time make command 30. Install. Want to leave the directory, remove the directory, tar the next one. You know, what's funny is I found out some information about the flight Mike's wife is taking to get here. She's taking part of the same route me and Alex took to get here. Because I asked for what her flight number was to get here. And then she told me the exact same flight number that me and Alex took to get here. And it didn't register with her that me and Alex had taken that one. Until I mentioned it was like, hey look, that's the exact same flight me and Alex took to get here. So she gets to see a really nice airport, which I'm jealous of because I like that airport. -r utilix tar -xbf e2 fs progs e2 fs progs because she gets to see a really nice airport. And because it's decent weather this time of year, she's not going to be stuck on the tarmac for an hour or 2. So time make -30. I just hope she doesn't get stuck in that country, because that means I'm going to have to ask her to pay for my train ticket back down here, because I literally only have... My train ticket is only valid for that train. For the train back down. To come here. I only have a train ticket that is valid for that train, and that is it. So she needs to not get stuck anywhere, because if she is, I'm gonna have to turn around and say, I need you to, yeah. No, I'm gonna be. She's here to see Alex. I'm not here. She's here to see Alex. I'm very glad she's coming across, but I'm not gonna start a fight with her. I'll admit, I do miss her, because, you know, I spent like 3 years of my fucking life with her, sleeping in the exact same bed as her, so I'm not gonna be a dick about it. I'm not gonna be a dick about it. I made it my mission to not be a dick. Right. wget. So we need to wget. We need to wget this one, so wget that. Wget this. And then wget that. Okay, so now that we have everything, we want to do okay, LFS. Okay, so is going to do sudo mv lib make p and then w to lfs/sources. Good. So we need to do wget, but for wget we need make ca. For make ca, we need to do the runtime built after libtasn, which means we need to do libtasn first. Okay, so rm-r e2 fs progs. And what we need to do is now tar-xvf libtasn like the benefit of seeing Amy is I know for a fact she's not going to turn around and accuse me of stalking or harassing her and report me to the police for a crime I never committed. So I then spend 5.5 months under investigation by the police, who assume that I'm the bad guy because I'm a male. Yeah, not fun. Let's not talk about that one. Yeah, that one. Yeah, I know I'm not going to have to suffer that one. Leave the directory, remove the directory. Oh, I. So I want to tar-xvf p11 kit cd p11 kit. I get to do what I'm about to do because I'm Peter's friend and he knows it's coming from a good place. He doesn't have a plan on it. Unless he manages to get himself a Linux goddess or someone who's trans and into Linux. Peter's never going to be with anyone. I get to say that because I'm Peter's friend and he knows I mean good. He knows I mean well. Oh, I'm sorry, fan. I didn't mean to whack you, mate. I get to say that because I know Peter, and he knows it's coming from my heart. Right. Right. Leave the directory, remove the directory. Make ca -xvf. Make ca. cd make ca. Don't mind me just dying over here. It'll be fine. Make install. Bada bing. seeing as I can't wget these because I don't have them. I just got to run all these because I know I can't not. Right. Leave the directory, remove the directory. tar-xbf wget. Wget 1.21.4. See, that kind of makes sense. Well, it's not kind of, it does make sense. So those who have me on Discord can see the fact that I'm actually listening to some on Spotify. It is what I'm currently listening to is the Evangelion, Neon Genesis Evangelion original series soundtrack. I'm currently listening to Ava Zero. Yes, he speaks the truth, Peter. Man's be spitting straight facts. Kill me. That was ridiculous. That was absolutely ridiculous of me. Also, I just sent you another picture from Alex earlier, Miss Love. I think you'll enjoy that one even more. I make install. Right, so leave the direct. No, I sent another one. Leave the directory. Remove the directory. But no, I was sat in the recliner, I just reclined, so I was leaning onto him, and he was just happy. He was just happy to be there. Right, okay. That is now us done with chapter 8. We now have to strip all of this down. We can ignore all the errors because they are expected. I step forward into the unknown. Is what the song's called. This is true. I'm really fucking lucky to have him. Like, I really am. I love my boy. I really do love my boy. I will hurt anyone that tries to hurt him. No one hurts my boy. No one hurts my boy. Or my dog, for that fact. Right, chapter 9. I'm going to stick this in the description. Chapter 9 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. There you go. Right, on to chapter 9. If you will not use SystemD network today, okay, we are using this one. Use the well, my friend, and I hope you have a good one. I've got a fun day ahead of me. Fun 12 hours ahead of me. Providing my lunch don't kill me in the process. Right. Thank you, my friend. I will keep you updated as and when things happen. If you prefer to use classic or customized interface names or one of 3 ways you do that, we're going to make udevs.link file for the default policy. Right, we're going to go for DHCP because I don't want to be messing around with that. So IPA ENP1S0. Okay. EMP1S0.eth. EMP1S0.eth. I've got to hope that's going to work. We will be using SystemD resolved, and we're not going to touch that because we're not using static. And this will, the hostname will literally just be LFS. Create host file using this, so terminal cd/etc/ nano. I'll just use my own host file. Yeah, and then that's, we ignore the FQDN because we don't need the FQDN. It's just going to be LFS. And localhost. Right. This is just module loading. We won't have to worry about this. Managing devices. Yep, because I know that's going to be an issue. We're just going to chuck this in anyway. System clock. Okay. Just time file. Yep. That's down because number 1 hasn't been launched. And then it's going to be time zone of London, Europe. Well, Europe. Europe, London. Host is down because there isn't one. Yes, I know, don't worry about it. Starting with SystemD 216 is enabled by default if you want to disable it. I don't. Just generic console stuff. Okay. Okay, so. I need to try and get my key map stuff now. For example, so... Right, okay, so what I need to do is go here, Control X, nano, /etc/v console conf. Okay, well that's not there. That's not. That's annoying. Locale CTL. Oh lord, right, okay. I'm gonna have to do this one later. And just hope it works. Locale -A. Oh, I am done. I am done. Equals ENGB. Char map. Symbol and then prefix. Which now means I can go back. Key map is ENGB. So ENGB. I just couldn't remember it, that's all. Because I kind of lost my stuff. But this worked, which is good. So for this one, it is going to be... what is it? ENGB 8859-1. 59-1 for Western Europe. So have I done that correctly? Right, let's hope I've done that correctly. Generic input RC file. Did I bugger that up? Okay, I'll remember that in case it does go tits up, which it more than likely will do, considering it's me. Just clear that so I can actually see what I'm doing. Disabling screen clearing at boot time. Normal behavior system is clear the screen at the end of the boot sequence. If this is desired, this behavior may be changed. No, we'll leave that alone. Temp FS is correct. If not, the set can be overridden. We'll leave that alone. We'll leave that alone. So parameters on a unit can be overridden by creating a directory and configuration file for it there. We will leave that alone. Core dumps. Core dumps, you may use locked disk space. We will actually do that because there's only 50 gigs for the virtual machine. Right, so here comes the FS tab file now. Right, so block ID. Right. Okay, so here's where things could go horribly, horribly wrong. Right. I need Sublime Text. I said Sublime Text, okay, because apparently that's the only one I had open. New one, so. Okay, so. To do vim /etc/fs tab. Right, so dev. Insert. This is for the home, which is rootfs, which is VDA2. And that is going to be ext4. D4. Swap is going to be VDA3. And what we're going to do is we're going to do /dev/VDA1. Going to be boot. ext2. Right equals 1. At least I hope I got that one right. Did I get that one right? I hope I got that one right. Oh, bother. Right, okay. We're gonna have to hope I got that one right. It's oh, it's slash boot. I'm fucking dumb. Insert slash boot. Done. Okay. Don't worry about that. Right, so it's time to do this. Now, first things first, we need to do cd lfs sources ls-la tar-xvf xvf linux cd dot tar.xz cd linux. Right, I can only hope I got that one set up correctly. I really hope I have. I'm gonna cry if I don't. So, time make Mr. Proper. Okay. I want to do make menu config. So, first things first, general setup. We need to do general setup and then make sure that compile kernel warning errors is disabled. So general setup, compile kernel warning errors is disabled. So disable that. And then auditing support, CPU task time. Where is auditing support? Auditing support, and then CPU task time and stats accounting. Time and stacks accounting, pressure stall information tracking, turn that on, and then required boot parameter needs to be turned off, which it is turned off. Good. We need to go back up to enable kernel headers through or make sure that's turned off. So enable kernel headers through, that is turned off. That is good. Control group support, where is control group support? Come down to here and then make sure memory controller is enabled. Memory controller is enabled. We need to go back, configure standard kernel support. Where is it? Configure standard kernel support features is turned off. Okay, now we need to go processors type and features. Build a relocatable kernel. Where is it? Where is build relocatable kernel and features? Okay, that is enabled. And then randomize address of kernel image, which is also enabled. Okay, now we need to go general architecture dependent options. General architecture dependent options, and we need to stack protector buffer overload detection. And then strong stack protector good, networking support. Where is networking support? We're getting there. Networking support, and then networking options, TCP/IP networking, obviously. And then that's enabled. We need to the IPv6 protocol. Where is it? That is enabled. Good. There is a funny one I want to show you. I've got to find it. I've got to find it because it's funny as all hell. Where is it? Would you like the Batman protocol? Would you like the Batman networking protocol as part of your Linux kernel? Hell yes, I do. That's hilarious. I love that. I really do. Right, we need to go to device drivers and device drivers. And then generic device drivers, or generic driver options even. Support for U-Event Helper, turn off, which is off. Maintain dev temp fs file system at mount. which it is enabled, and then automate dev tempfs, which is enabled. Good. Batman. That's done. Now we need firmware loader. Come down to firmware loader, and then it's firmware loading facility, which is that, and then enable firmware sys fallback. Okay, that is disabled. Good. We need to go to firmware drivers. Where is firmware drivers? Thermal drivers. LED support. Gray support. Staging, no. Android? What? There's someone notice that one. Right, hang on. Where are firmware drivers? They are under device drivers. I didn't know. Hang on. Generic device drivers, and then it's... But firmware drivers, I'm dumb, excuse me. Export DMI identification, that's set, which is good. Now we need to go to graphics support, which is... Where is graphics support? Thermal drivers, CEC, graphics support, okay. Frame buffer devices. DRM driver. Cirrus. Frame buffer devices. Support for the frame buffer devices needs to be enabled as a core, not a module. And then console display driver support needs to be frame buffer console support. Frame buffer console support needs to be set as that, which it is. Right, and we need to go to file systems, which is under this one. So file systems, IO notify support for user space. Right, let's get there. IO notify support for user space, which is enabled. Then we want sudo file systems, and then tempfs virtual memory file system, which it is enabled. And then tempfs POSIX access control list, which it is. Good, right. If you're using 64-bit systems, so we need to go to, and need to be enabled in a certain order. I mean, they used to be required to be set up in a certain order. Oh yeah, so it's PCI MSI, which is that one. Then config IRQ remap, which is that one. And then X2 APIC. So first things first, we need to go to device drivers, PCI support. We'll go back up, device drivers, PCI support, and then message signals interrupts. Message signals interrupt MSX and MSI, that is enabled. Now we need to go to IRQ remap, which comes under IOMMU support. In other words, where is IOMMU? Hardware support, and then it is support for interrupt remapping. support for interrupt remapping, enable, and then we need to do X2 X2 API-C, which is support X2 API-C. And then we need to go to processor type and features, support X2 API-C, exit. Right. I need to find the one that will actually show me the boot image. What is it? You know, the one where oh, I can't think of, I forgot the name of it. You know what shows like the logo, the boot logo, that's it. Because if we remember last time, I set that up because, you know, it looked amazing, and it was also to make sure it actually booted correctly. And I can't remember where that one is. Oh god, where's the boot logo? Hang on, I'm just gonna Google it. Boot logo, it's kernel, menu config. Okay, so it is device drivers, graphic support, when it finally appears. Yep. Thank you. You beat me to it. Well, I beat you to it, but still, thank you. It's good to know someone is actually thinking the same sort of thing I am, because it looks nice being able to go, hey look, I did a thing. Where is boot logo? Put your box to right. Boot logo. Done. $224 color. There we go. Thank you kindly. Thank you kindly. Right, do we all remember which songs that I have to have running? What song that I have to have running when it comes to compiling the kernel? Because if I don't, it is not legal. I nearly just fucking slapped myself in the face. Is it not on Spotify? No, it is. It's Nero Forte, not Neo Forte. Well, I'm dumb. Right, okay. Wow, I've really listened to that entire album. Nice. Right, so, now we've done that, we can save, done. Exit, exit, exit. Okay, so now that we've done that, it is time make -A. Oh god. Here comes the time. Yes, stop buzzing. So yeah, I need the song Nero Forte to be playing, because I did that once. The first time I ever successfully compiled the Linux kernel, Nero Forte was playing. Stick around to see how long the compilation takes, Peter. I haven't felt like this in years. Come on, Peter, it's not going to take that long, hopefully. Oh, by the way, Peter, Amy's heading to the airport, so she'll be on the plane in the next 2 hours. Well, within the next 2 hours. Yodome. This is upside down. Help me now. Hey, minute and 44 seconds. God damn. I love it. Modules install time. Okay. Yes, I have. We've done that. Okay, right. So pay attention here. It is in the correct place. The VM linens is in the correct place. Pay attention to this. Yeah, I know that pain. These are all going to the correct place, so please remember this. Watch, I bloody bet you, it's not gonna bloody do it. Stop the abuse. Right, okay. Dev VDA. Come on. Right, okay, okay. No error reported from Grub. Okay. Sublime, I needed to come here. VDA 1. VDA 1. We are committing to the bit. Right, so distribution code name. Kernel panic from scratch. Kernel panic from scratch. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, God damn it. I've got to start again. Bloody hell. Right. So. Kernel panic from scratch. Kernel panic from scratch. Okay. Okay, so Linux from scratch, there we go. ID is going to be LFS version is that. So it's going to be kernel panic from, well, kernel panic from scratch. Right. So first things first, we need to do logout. Run all of them. Do that. We've got to hope that's going to work. Additional resources, getting started after LFS. Appendices. Okay. Ready, Pancake Sparkle? Okay, that's set correctly. Fuck's sake! Every fucking time! Every fucking time! Oh, that's why I did dumb. Every fucking time. Every single goddamn time. It's there. You put the fucking thing there. Right. It installed without issues. It moved into the correct space. Right. HD3, no pass, no known passes. Right. That first one swap. That second one is the root FS, which is correct. That one. Mamma fucking mia. What more could you want? Everything was. Fuck it. Force off. Yes, come here. Enable to. Yes, move you to the top. Yes, apply the fucking thing. Make sure the bloody disk is in. Apply. Boot the fucking system. Ugh. Always fucking happens. What did I do to deserve it? Like, honest to fuck, I'm not watching it. Why do I even fuck? Why do I bother? Why? Every single fucking time. I need to put my watch in charge. Bear with me. Every single fucking time. Fucking fuck. There's the fucking boot images. There is the fucking boot image. Exactly where it said it would be. Mislav was right. I best be careful because otherwise I'll blow a fucking valve. /media /Ubuntu rootfs/boot. No. Ooh, close. Sudo copy -r grub 2 /media /ubuntu /rootfs/boot. Let's try this again. Force off. Yes. Come here. Boot options. Disk. Apply. Here. Start. Do this. What do you mean the file wasn't... Every single fucking time. I don't know. I don't know. It's there. The file is actually there. The file is actually there. Look at the previous stream for it, which is now 2 streams ago. The FS tab is correct. I believe it's correct. Let's find out. I forgot what solved it previously as well. Fuck, I can't even remember where the fucking FS tab's supposed to be. It's from scratch.org. I did not use UUID because I expect... Ooh. etc/FS tab. Thank you. Why are you being slow? Other locations. rootfs, etc. Where the fuck is my FS tab file? Apparently, the swap partition don't fucking exist. It's got no file system on it. It's a good thing, and I mean it's a bloody good thing, that I still have this, isn't it? rootfs uuid. Swap. It's a bloody good thing I still got this. And then boot. Why does this always bloody happen to me? There we go. Restart. Force off. Yes. Boot options are the correct way around. Good. Escape VIO disk. What do you mean premature end of file? It's a new error. I'll give you that. It's a new error, but it's not. Fuck. Okay, hang on. Premature end of file. Thanks. What am I gonna have? Okay, so let's set up the group. All right, let's set that up first. So force reset, yes. Force off, yes. Turn on. Force reset, yes. Escape, vertite. Escape. 2. Why do I do this to myself? Why do I do this? Why am I literally going insane? I expect this to work every time. And it doesn't. I am literally the definition of insanity. I expect results and it doesn't work. I'm going insane in the membrane. Try Ubuntu. I'm gonna fucking throw myself off of a bridge. Right, Ubuntu. And of course, it doesn't want to fucking do it. Of course it doesn't want to fucking do it. Of course you don't want to give me access to the files, because that would be too fucking easy. Yeah. Thank you. Right. God bloody damn it. So, other locations, boot. Grub. Grub.cfg. Rootfs. So, I'm guessing I literally just drop in the root fs UUID. I'm hoping that's what I need to do. I'm hoping that's all I need to do, which means I need to come here in terminal and then do sudo grub.cfg sudo nano grub.cfg, and then I need to change that root. I hope that's all I have to do. No. Okay, so it's root equals part UUID. Okay, so thank you. I just wanted to make sure. I wanted to make sure before I sailed myself down the river. Root equals part UUID equals, and then the UUID identifier, which is just that. Thank you, Princess Sparkle. Thank you very much for coming, Pancake Sparkle. Even you help me so much every time. Thank you. Like I can see myself having to change this here. I'll have to find that one out as I'm actually in the system. So anyway, so yes to the buffer, enter for that. Force off, yes. Force on. On. Premature ends to the HD0 MS DOS 2. Why didn't it save? Why didn't you save? You fucking troglodyte. UUID equals... Yes, start. Tape. Why didn't you save when I asked you to? You fucking knob jockey. It did save. I'm just an idiot and saved it and saved the wrong one. What does it mean by premature end of file anyway? Like, all I see is make init cpio-p. That's what I see when I search it up. Every single fucking time. Other locations, rootfs, boot, grub cfg. Why is it grub cfg file? Why is there nothing in the grub cfg file? Why is there nothing in these fucking files? Why is there nothing in these fucking files? Why is there nothing in the fucking files? I should have noticed by the fact that we're all fucking zeros. Grub. Yes. Sudo hyphen rf grub. Right. Sudo copy vmlins 2 / medius / ubuntu / rootfs / boot. There's actually information there this time around. Okay. I swear this is all it was. I'm gonna lose my shit. System map. Config. Okay, now I need to do grub recursively. So sudo copy -r grub / media / ubuntu / rootfs / boot. Come to here. Everything is there. Okay, so we cd grub. Okay. They are literally the exact same. Pulse off. Yes. Turn on. F1. Oh, yes. No! For fuck's sake. Ah! For fuck's sake. Okay, yeah, so it is the same error twice. Not syncing, no working init found. Try passing init equals option to kernel. C Linux. Right. I had this error last time round. And the documentation provided nothing. Kernel panic. Syncing. No working init found. Hello Ben, how you doing? Means the kernel cannot locate /bin /init in the root file system. Are you using initd? That's a good point. Let's try that. Why am I in emergency mode? Why am I in emergency mode? You are in emergency mode after logging in. Type journal ctl-xb to view the system logs. System ctl reboot or exits to continue boot up. Root password for maintenance or control. Every fucking time. Possibly. I'm trying to get... Right, okay. Okay, so cd/etc/v console etc. We want to do vim/etc/v console.conf. I've got to fucking change that as well now, don't I? Yep. Journal ctl-xb. I'm waiting to see red, but all I see is green. Ah. Failed to mount the boot. Right. Failed to mount /boot. That could be what it is. I could just tell it's... Right. Let's go into the FS tab, seeing as I don't need the boot partition anymore. So, where am I? We need to do cd/etc vim/fs, well, fs tab. I'm going to here and remove the boot, seeing as I don't need the boot. Insert. Watch this absolutely fucking break everything. Piss. It's not in panic mode anymore. Ah, thank fuck. And I log straight in. Yes, thank fuck. Now we need to sort the network out. Right, no, first things first, we need to sort out the booting. So, leave the directory. CD boot. Nano. Config. Vim config. Nope. CD grub. You beat me to it. Grub.cfg. Already. Yeah, see, I just need to change this to VDA2. Right. Now I need to figure out my networking again, so. Because if I do IPA, that's down. The reason why that's down is because I need to get to there, and I can't remember where that is. Oh, bother. Can't remember where my networking is. It's in var, if I remember correctly, so. Oh, that's right. So, systemctl starts. Apparently not. DHCPD. Right, so we want to do diddly dee diddly dee. Where is it? Where is it? That's about right. So cd/etc/sys config. And there's nothing there. We did, but I can't get access. If I don't know what it is, I can't go from there. And there's literally nothing there. Oh, hang on. If I remember correctly, I called it .eth and went, I hope that works, and just left it. Hang on. It's from scratch.org. LFS, read online, SystemD, and then what is it? It is general network config. And then where would it be? Okay, so first we want to do cd/etc/systemd/network systemd cd network, and then it is yeah, that's the thing. What I did instead was inside the 10 ETH. So if I do vim 10 is that. So it just needs to be eth0.link if I remember correctly. Yeah, no, it's still done until got to be so sudo. Well, hang on. systemctl status networked. That was weird. Oh, fuck, I typed that correct. Oh, damn it. Okay, let's try SystemD networked. Oh, hang on. There it is. It is loaded and it's currently working. Is not a file. Okay. Still down. Oh, like man. Oh, when it face up beta 0. Fuck it, you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna be dumb and stupid here. Vim 10. systemctl restart. SystemD network. SystemD systems. Systemctl status. SystemD networked. Oh. Yes! Ah! Yes! Right. Clear. Ping 1.1.1.1. Yo! Ah! I didn't think I had anything on that. Okay, so an average time to the router of less than an eighth of a millisecond. Oh. Right, NeoFetch. Right. NeoFetch. Still an A routes. Want to go. We need to grab the releases. Right, do I have Git installed? No, I don't. So I'm gonna have to do it this way, aren't I? Right. No, I didn't want save link. I just want copy. So wget https://hub.com/dylana wraps/neofetch/releases. Unable to locally verify, and then we want to do no check certificate. PD latest. Okay, so we want to do tar-xbf latest. Because it's HTML file, because of course. Yeah. Copy link. Paste. Okay, so we want. Because I'm a dumb and I forget, it just wants that so latest, and then we want to do. So it's neofetch/r dhive refs tags /7.1.0.tar.gz. No check certificate. Waiting. Oh, why did you bounce? What do you mean? Yeah, I've told you to. Yeah, I know it's 404 because I must have fucking entered it in wrong. Oh, regs instead of refs. Oh my god, ignore me. I'm just a dumb. So, tar-xvf 7 tab ls-la cd neofetch ls-la rm-r neofetch cd neofetch time make minus j30 time make install neofetch. Yes. Oh, goddamn. And you know what? It doesn't say that it has been on since the year 1970 anymore. The 1st of January 1970. Remember last time we got this far? It said it'd been on since the 1st of January 1970. It's only using 101 megabytes. Finally! Oh, goddamn. Oh, I feel dizzy. Gee, why when? Never. Well, yes, actually, it's going to be next week. And look, it's kernel panic from scratch. Oh my fucking god, that took too long. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, Pancake Sparkle, thank you so much. Are you in the Discord, Pancake Sparkle? Yeah, because I'm about to give you a special role. Okay, Pete, well, thank you very much for coming along, mate. uh, Hi, Ben. I finally did it. I finally did it. Right. I'm gonna make you your own role. Thank the fuck. It's been done. I need coffee. I need coffee. I need alcohol. And I need food. Except, I can't get the alcohol. Well, I have alcohol. But I can do coffee. I know why it shows up as epic. It's because of the way that the Vert Manager is written. It just shows up as epic. So, right, hang on. The ultimate test. Reboot. Okay. So apparently, me setting that to VDA2 didn't actually save. God fucking damn it. Yeah. Okay, good. And if I do this... Yes! Oh, I can cry! Oh my god, I can finally fucking cry. Be done with this shit. I can finally be done with this shit. Right. A vim slash boot slash grub slash CFG. It's already been changed. A mamma fucking mia. Okay, so it remembers that. Yes. Oh, thank fuck. Thank fuck, thank fuck. And it's called Kernel Panic from scratch. Okay, I'll do that actually. Update. Grub. Well, apparently I ain't doing that. Lord Jesus. Load above. Grab MK. Oh, before I do that, before I do that, I want to make a snapshot. It's working. Don't fucking break it. I want to make a snapshot before I do that, you know, just to be on the safe side. I know it will, but I don't trust me. I don't trust me to do it correctly. Grub make config o slash boot slash grub.cfg. Let's find out. Nope. Gonna? I don't know. Yo, they look so nice. Oh, so nice. cd slash et vim slash etc slash fs tab. Okay, so vim slash etc slash default slash grub doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. I don't know anymore. I don't know. I'm just happy that I have a working operating system. I don't. ls. Yeah, let's find out. So ls slash boot slash grub. I'm fucking glad I finally got it done though. I'm glad. Fucking done. I don't know. cd spin I wonder if I could say it. User sbin user bin slash it was sbin, I was sbin slash grub hyphen config a search file or directory. Wouldn't have mattered anyway. There's also no grub. Well, there's grub, install, Mac bless, set default, and Spark 64. Cat slash boot slash grub slash grub.cfg and does that. Which is absolutely useless, which means I need to do cd slash cd boot cd grub and then vim grub.cfg and then edit anyway. So it's correct. It's actually there. And there's the fucking menu entry. It's going to the right place. Why? Right. Grab my config helper script. Hang on, didn't I miss something? There was something it wanted me to run after I'd completed. After I booted in for the first time. Right, sparse was to improve this. Work from the LFS host and chew it. Featured copy paste. That's chew root. We might run it via SSH or from the command line. Okay, right, never mind then. Hang on. What did it say right at the fucking start? Grub make config, so QA. So grub make config. Okay. Well, let's restart. Same error again. Force reset. Yes. F1. E. Still going to VDA1. Root. So, clear. Go fetch. That's still working. Good. So we're going to do grub config /boot /grub/grub.cfg. That /boot /grub/grub.cfg pipe grep VDA1. Nothing there. Good. Nothing there. Good. Sick. Not force off, no. Just reset, yes. Stick, man. No, not force off. Force reset, yes. F1, E, VDA2. Why do you not save correctly? Hang on. Hang on. Right. Yes, just give me the edit anyway. Sake. QA. Dim. Edit anyway. Right. What I'm going to do is there's video 2. Full screen this. My video. Hang on. Hang on. Right, okay. Boot partition. Right. Anything starting with EBF is the root file, which is VDA2. Anything starting with EBF is VDA2. So this root EBF is correct. Okay. EBF. So the config is correct. The config is actually correct. Right. I am absolutely sure because I copied down my notes. Because if I do block ID, hang on. What we can see here is rootfs VDA2 EBF. Then our boot, our swap is 876, which is what I've got here. And then 51B is the boot partition. Everything is set correct. EBF is VDA2. So, because it wasn't booting, for some reason, even though it was correctly set and it was done correctly as it said, it still didn't boot. No reason for it. But we will call that for next week's issue because we're past our 3 hours. supposed to be, but that is now going to be next week's issue. Right. It's next week's issue now. We have a just works operating system. It works. It boots. It turns on. It doesn't die. And it has networking. That was easier than I thought it was going to be. I'll be perfectly honest. So we do ping 1 to 1. As we can see here, it works. I am extremely, extremely happy about it. Anyway, I would like to thank you all very much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. Hit the like button if you like the stream, dislike if you disliked it, or the VOD afterwards. Remember, when you use Linux, unlike this, don't panic. You guys have been awesome. Maybe consider supporting on Buy Coffee, or just liking and leaving a comment saying, "Oh, you dingus face, why'd you do that?" Anyway, I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. I hope you have a good day, good evening, good night, good whatever it is, wherever you are. Goodbye.